Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Calendly with ClickFunnels. All right, so first up, gotta go to ClickFunnels and go to the left panel and click on Workspace Settings. All right, just click on it and go ahead over to Integrations, click, and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead and go to the search bar. And before you do so, make sure to open up a new tab and open up Calendly or open up your Calendly account. Okay. So go back to ClickFunnels, gotta go to the search bar, now type in Calendly. Like so, wait for it to load and click on Calendly. There'll be a pop-up window right here, as you can see. Just go ahead and click on Connect to Calendly, and it will just easily connect it, and it will just tell you that it's gonna verify your accounts. All right? That's why I wanted you to log into both of your ClickFunnels and Calendly account in the same browser. Okay, so integration would be easy. And that's basically how you do it. You might be asking, is there a way to do it on Calendly? Well, let's just go ahead and check it out. Go ahead over to Calendly and click on Integrations and Apps. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and type in ClickFunnels. Right here, as you can see, it is not available. So our only option is by integrating our Calendly account to ClickFunnels right here. There you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.